Didn't he fall really badly? I hope nothing happened to his back or anything. This woman is probably going door to door and she's carrying something on her back. She knocks on the door in the middle of the night and then leaves. What is she trying to do? What exactly is this woman angry about? Is she yelling because she fell so hard and thinks she embarrassed herself? I don't get it.
You take out the trash. I just fell on dry ice. That's ice and it's not funny. You take out the trash. Right. That's not funny. That's ice. No.
What kind of theft is this? The guy falls while trying to jump over the fence, but he casually grabs the package and walks away like nothing happened. He tries to throw snow at his friend as a prank, but suddenly slips and falls. He ends up getting covered in snow instead. As always, the package thieves struck again. They grabbed the package and escaped with their accomplice's car.
Yeah, this is hella OD. I know how it is.
It's a barbed wire.
I guess people usually climb onto the roof, which is why they locked the door and surrounded it with wires. But this couple came prepared. They used something like a sheet to cover the wires and climbed up to the roof.
Are you willing to take risks?
Yeah, fine. I was surveilling the perimeter.
Listen, you're gonna go first, so make sure. But pretty much, yeah, you're good. Like, put your hands on here.
Yep, good.
Now, up, over. Watch out, there still is wire, so like, be aware. There you go, girl. Oh yeah. No problem. It ain't no problem.
This delivery driver brings and delivers the food, but he must have been really desperate because he pees next to the elevator. Why would you do that? Do. This bear and its family will attack anyone they encounter. Just look at how they're searching for food. This woman is about to ask her neighbor for help with something, but what could it be in the middle of the night? If you keep turning like that, a pedestrian or a car could suddenly come in front of you.
You can take towel over. No, this. Okay. We're already screwed.
It looks like something happened upstairs. Where's the woman's tracksuit? It's kind of embarrassing. Would it really be on the roof? This guy slipped and fell while going to unload something from the car, but he got up like nothing happened and walked straight into his house. It's unclear if it's caused by the car, but a power pole falls, explodes like a bomb, and destroys half of the house. He's breaking the lock with a huge pair of scissors, and when he thinks someone is coming, he quickly pulls away. He was doing something in the garden, but it's unclear what. Just as he's about to leave, the homeowner calls out to him.
Excuse me, did you do something?
Yeah,
What? Why are you climbing into my property?
Sorry.
Excuse me? No, please do not do that again. No, what are you doing on this side? I'm sorry?
I wish people like this, acting like animals, could live together peacefully like this. A fire breaks out at the part of the fence in the middle of the night. The man manages to get there in time and puts the fire out.
Hey, you gave it up? Yeah. Yeah, he got it.